Sunday, and I am in my backyard, and it is such a beautiful sunny day. It has to be like in the 60s, 65s, and I am loving every minute of it because I have been jumping at the bit to get out in my yard. So I wanted to let you see an overview of my yard. I only messed around from this section all the way to the side yard. So let me take you on a little tour of everything I did. First of all, I took off those planters that are over there, those teal planters. I took them off my deck because I am getting ready to clean this deck up, get this prepped soon for my redesign, but I am starting on the ground floor. So let's start our tour over on this side. Won't let you see that part because that's going to be the grand finale. So the first thing I did was that over here by my Fuyu persimmon tree, I put some bricks around the bottom, and then I'm going to make this section over here my blooming onion section over there with the Walla Walla onions. It's going to start from this side all the way to where that fence post stops. So this would be up area where I put my onions, and I also am going to put some onions from that stump all the way to this area. And I may put some right in front of that air conditioning unit. I'm not 100% clear yet, but I'm still figuring it out. Oh, and I wanted to say I moved my wheelbarrow, and you can see it from here. I think that's going to be such a beautiful sight to see a wheelbarrow filled of beautiful tulips. And then I have this painted fern here, and this is a stump. When we cut down all those trees up on that hill, and you can see other stumps up there, this is one of the stumps that I placed here because I thought that'd be a cute little extra, I don't know, little garden design right next to the painted fern. And then you'll see the wheelbarrow full of tulips, and also right by the painted fern right there you can see a hydrangea right there that's ready to bloom. And so I finished putting the bricks around my Japanese maple. So this is going to be beautiful when it blooms because it will be a blood burgundy red. So this is going to be amazing. And then you guys already know about me putting those black lilies here with the freesia. So let me show you exactly what the wheelbarrow is going to look like here. Isn't that going to be so amazing when those tulips just bloom? That's going to be so gorgeous. And this is the hydrangea that I was telling you about. See, it's already got blooms on it, and then that's the fern. And then with this arborvitae planted right by all this is going to be a glorious sight to see. And then in this planter, I planted 4 more of those black lilies. So this should be amazing. Black lilies up against this white wall here should be cute. And then I have some daffodils, my azaleas starting to put their buds on. So this one is a pink azalea, so that's going to be beautiful. And you know about my pinky roses and my purple clematis. They are getting ready to do what they do. I haven't seen any buds on, oh, right here, some buds on my roses. Let me see if I can show you. See? That bud is starting to come. I'm so excited. And then over here, I cleaned out all my planters. I'm going to put onions in there, the little small little miniature onions that come in that variety box that I showed you that has the red, the white, and the yellow. I'm going to put them in that planter. And then all this is going to be my purple and green kale. And I didn't know that the purple kale that I had last year, look, it's starting to come back. You see that? I hope you can see it because I'm in the sun, so I'm hoping you can see that purple kale right there. Magnificent. And this is just a beautiful pink sedum. And then also I have over here is my pink roses, and they're starting to put on all their buds. So this is going to be beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, this is what I have been working on. This is the planter that my husband built for me. So I wanted to be able to come down off of my deck and come straight into my planter boxes. And I wanted it in a U-shape form. So everything would be in one location. You know, Miss Renee is not no spring chicken no more. So I needed my raised beds to be raised up so my back and everything wouldn't be in traction. So he was so nice and so kind to build me these, and I've already amended it with, I have dirt at the bottom, and then I have all the leaves and stuff that I had in my yard. See, I have leaves in here, and then I have some black cow, and then I have compost. I need to get some few more things to put in here. I want to put some blood meal and some bone meal in here to get this dirt ready and prepped to get planted when the time comes. And then right in front, I have a pot that has my tulips, so I figured that would be some really good color. And then I'm gonna put a pot here on this section. I'm gonna put a pot here, so it'll be 2 pots over here. And then I'm going to have 2 pots over here, and they're going to be filled with vegetables. My design is coming into play. And then this is what I've been working on all day. Remember I said I was going to do those flocks, and I was going to do the lemon ball sedum. Well, here it is. I put them all the way to the end, so that should be a magnificent sight of having the black lilies and the creeping Jenny cascading. I still need to find a thriller to put in the middle of my pot, but I have all that chartreuse green of the lemon ball sedum and the phlox all together. So that is so pretty. And as you can see, my daffodils are starting to pop up, and my tulips in that red pot is starting to show itself. So this is going to be a beautiful sight in Renee's garden paradise. And I have my plantings, which weren't up last time. They are starting to really come out, and way up at the top of the hill are my daylilies coming way up there. So let me show you what it looks like from a distance view, so you can get the full scene that I want you to see what I see. So isn't that combination of that planting just and the yellow of the daffodils are so beautiful. So my next layer over here will be my purple petunias. I will put those up at the top, right where, because remember I said it was going to be the phlox, and then it was going to be my purple petunias. I'm going to stick all in this area, and then you're going to have the layer of the white Shasta daisies, and then I still have more tulips that will be coming up, and then I'm going to put okra up there, and then way in the back I have tiger lilies, so that orange will pop up. So I'm trying to plant my garden where there's always going to be something coming into bloom right after another particular flower has done what it's going to do. Then I'll have a next layer of color coming. And my primroses are starting to look good underneath this Christmas arborvitae tree. So that is going to be beautiful because they have little red flowers. And then you guys saw that I have cabbage already planted, and my tulips, and my spirea plant is coming in, and then I have an azalea right there, which is a pop of pink. So I'm trying to layer the similar colors so it'll be like your eye won't be like jumping from one plant to another. It'll be a cohesive like color, keeping all the colors together. And then over here, I am starting to work on my Zen garden. Say, starting to work on it. I stopped right here because Miss Renee is pooped. So what I like to do is I like to line up all my planters, all my boxes, flower boxes in a row. So when I go and get all my flowers, I start planting one after another. And then I know exactly what my placement is going to be on the stairs. I still have to power wash these stairs. I still want to paint this arbor back to its original, like that barnyard red. And I have to still pick a color for the stairs. I'm thinking of a tranquil, like mustard color. I really wanted to put this color right here on those stairs because I think that will give that such a pop of color with that red. So it's between that mustard color and that that teal color. And then way at the top, that's going to be a beautiful show because it's going to have all the tulips and stuff and the daylilies popping open. All right, guys, I'll leave it there, but I just wanted to come back and show you exactly what I was doing today, and you can see all of my hard work, all of my stuff I was using today. I haven't even got over to that section yet. That's like a part 2. I've been concentrating mainly on this section right here, but it's all coming together. All right, you guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're having a blessed day. And you can see my little gnomes, they are ready for their planting. But this is what I think I'm going to do, a mass planting of some petunias and violas, because I want to make this section a very subtle, a very zen-like area. So when you come through here, you'll just get a feeling of calmness and serenity. All right, and you can see my Buddha. I really need to power wash him because the birds have been loving all over him. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Take care, you guys, and have a great day.